Pat Casey and Oregon State looking to win back-to-back national championships, facing North Carolina, who they faced last year. Top two. Oregon State down 1-0, one on. Darwin Barney, stop it. My man home run to left, his 5th of the season. 237th career hit, which breaks the school record. Ducks up 2-1. Bottom 6, UNC down 5-3. They had chances, and they killed themselves by not taking advantage. UNC finished the game 1 for 10 with runners in scoring position. Top 7, Beavers up 6-3. 2 on, 2 out. Chris Hopkins, check swing, ground ball up the middle. Garrett Gore fields the ball. No one covers first. Another run scores. 2 errors on the day. Bottom 7, ping, just ping. Seth Williams doubles on the left field side. Tim Fedroff tries to score. Barney with a hose. 2nd straight title for the Beavers. First time since LSU in 96 and 97 to repeat. Oregon State, the only team to ever win the College World Series with a conference record below 500. They were 10-14 in the Pac-10. Does it really matter now? Oregon State, first team in 10 years to repeat, as I said. 3 of the last 4 repeat champs have come out of the Pac-10, including USC, which won 5 straight titles from 1970 to 1974.